Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and today we have a brand new 2026 Model Y premium specification finished in the brand new Marina blue color. This is the first one that's actually come to us in this color, and I have to say, I think it looks so much better than the previous blue that Tesla was using for quite a few years. So this customer really is super excited to have this car. It's actually an older gentleman. He's in his 80s, God bless. And this is gonna probably be the last car he ever purchases. And he wanted to make it extra special and protect it for many years to come. So what did we do? Starting off, we went ahead and applied T-Max gloss clear PPF film to protect this beautiful Marina blue color from road rash, rock chips, and unnecessary visits to the body shop, which nobody wants. This vehicle now, you can't even tell that it's actually been wrapped, and that's the beauty of the T-Max Gloss Clear PPF, and it also provides for easier cleanup. You're never gonna need to wax your car, ever. Car wash soap, wipe it down, always looks clean. Now, what else did we do? So because this was a premium specification, it actually came with 19-inch wheels from Tesla. But this owner wanted a little bit more comfortable ride, and he wanted also to go ahead and change the look of the wheels. So he chose to downsize to our 18-inch TSH wheels. Now these are directional wheels, so there's a right and a left. And as you can see here, these are finished in satin black, which is a perfect match to all the satin black trim that's around the car from Tesla. Downsizing to an 18-inch into a 245/50 18-inch tire gives you that extra thick sidewall. Tesla does offer an 18-inch on their entry-level Model Ys now. These tires are less expensive to replace in comparison to a 19-inch, but overall it's all about the more comfortable ride, and that's exactly what he wanted, and he changed the look as well. Now, we did not stop there. All of this gentleman's cars in the past have been a particular shade of blue similar to Marina blue with a tan interior. Now, as we know, Tesla only offers a black or a white interior, and now there's a light kind of grayish color as well. This customer wanted a tan type interior, and he chose a beautiful color. Let me show this to you. It's called Doeskin. And as you can see, we went ahead and we reupholstered the front and rear seats in this Doeskin leather colorway. It has perforated inserts, and you need that because of the air-cooled seats. You want that to function properly. But we also went ahead and reupholstered the door panel inserts. The middle section of the door is now in Doeskin as well. This is a complete interior and exterior customization, making this truly one of a kind. And to finish it all off, because again, he wants to enjoy this for many years to come, we applied the T-Max ceramic coating to the PPF, taking the warranty from 7 years to 10 years, to the wheels to provide for easier cleanup, all the exterior glass, easier cleanup, and to this beautiful brand new interior. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to hear some comments below about what you guys think about this colorway, this color combination. And if you love our content, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.